The wheels on a Pelican Storm transport type case are crucial to keep your case mobile. This video will take you through the steps to replace the wheels on Pelican Storm case models IM2435, IM2720, IM2750, IM2875, IM2950, IM2975, IM3075, IM3100, IM3200, IM3220, IM3300, and IM3410. The tools and supplies you'll need to get the job done include a pin punch, a hammer, and 2 flathead screwdrivers. Before you can install a new wheel, you'll need to remove the old one. You can follow along with these steps. Start by laying the case on its back with the wheels facing up. Remove the retaining clips on each side using the 2 flathead screwdrivers. Use one to brace the clip against the case so that it can't spin around the pin. Then insert the second screwdriver into the slot on the top of the ring and simply twist. The clip should come off. Watch out, as the retaining clip can be ejected. It may be helpful to put a white cloth in front to catch it. Use the hammer to gently tap on the pin punch until the wheel axles dislodge. Remove the old wheel. Align the new wheel with the axle hole. Align the axle with the axle hole. While holding the wheel in place, push the axle in place. It should pass through, but if it doesn't, the wheel isn't properly aligned. The axle should come out just past the wheel rib, so you can install the retaining clips. Reattach the retaining clips. Place the clip into the groove. Using the flathead screwdriver in one of the notches on the clip, just push straight down. Repeat the same process for the other side. We hope this video has helped, but if you should run into any issues, please feel free to contact the Pelican customer service team at 800-473-5422.